So this is the question of class 11 exercise 1.6 and I'm taking questions from NCRT. So in this question they are asking that it is exercise 1.6 question number 1. If x and y are two sets, if x and y are two sets such that the cardinal number of x set is 17, the cardinal number of y set is 23 and the cardinal number of union of x and y sets is 38. So you have to find out the cardinal number of x intersection y. So for this we have a simple formula and I will explain that how this formula came. Okay. How we have derived this formula or by Venn diagram it will become very easy to understand the formula. So before understanding the formula we'll use the formula, what the formula is. So here the formula says the cardinal number of x union y is equals to the cardinal number of x plus the cardinal number of y minus the cardinal number of x intersection y. Now since the values which are given here, we will place it and we'll find out the unknown variable or unknown value. So here I know the cardinal number of x union y is given as 38. So I'll put it as it is. Cardinal number of x is how much? 17. So I'll put 17. Cardinal number of y is 23 minus cardinal number of x intersection y, which we have to find out. So I'll shift it. This 17 plus 23 that will become I think 40 minus cardinal number of x intersection y. So when I bring this 40 this side, so it will become negative 40. So 38 minus 40 equals to minus cardinal number of x intersection y. So this will be minus 2 equals to minus cardinal number of x intersection y. So minus minus cancels out. So here we have cardinal number of x intersection y as 2. So this is the question which was given in NCERT book exercise 1.6 question number 1. So this formula how it came, so we'll understand with the help of Venn diagram. It will take a minute. That's it. Nothing else is there. Not much to explain with that formula. So see here how this formula came. Let's say I have this using Venn diagram. I'll just explain it. So let's say this is your universal set. It is denoted by this letter. Okay. We have two sets. Set let's say set A and let's say set B. Okay. Let's set A and set B. And here I have shown this Venn diagram which shows the intersection of A and B also. Intersection means that area or you can say that elements which A and B both are having. So it means those elements will be common to A and B. So that common elements are represented in this region, in this middle region. Okay. So let's say I'll just name this A set as one, or let's say small a, b, c, d. Okay, this much. And let's say set b is small x, y, a, b, z. Okay, so let's say this is the sets given a and b. So if I want to represent this elements in this diagram, so this a. So first I'll find out what is there any element which is present in both the sets. Here set in set A and set B, small a is present in both the sets. Small b is also present in both the sets. So these two elements are common to both the sets. So therefore, we are going to represent those common elements in this smaller region, which is representing the area of A as well as B, or you can say the region of A as well as B. Now whatever is left of A, so we put it in A. So here A and B already we have included. Now C and D is here. So C, let's say this is B. Now here A and B we have already taken. So what is left? Will be X by C. So X by C. So now if I'm just going to understand, I'm just going to put that, or I'm just going to formulate that formula. Can I, find the number of A union B? A union B means all the elements you have to see, but we will not count the same element again and again. Okay, so here A and A is coming in both A and B as well. Okay, so therefore we will count A one time only, not two times. Similarly, B also we are going to count it once. So just see how many elements are present in A union B. A union B, you all must be knowing that A union B is actually we are including all the elements which are in A as well as in B. Okay. A and B together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A and B we already took in this set A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here, how many elements are present in A union B? That is 7. So we have, if we are going to count from this Venn diagram, so in A union B, this all region, the whole region will be there. This whole region which is inside the circle of these two, sorry, inside the region of these two circles. So therefore, cardinal number of A union B is actually 7. So how it is 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fine. Now cardinal number of A. So how many elements are present in A, that we are going to find out. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 4 are present in A. Cardinal number of B. How many are present? So in B, how many are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are present. Now, with the help of diagram, you can see the cardinal number of A intersection B. Intersection B means the region which comes in both the sets common. Okay. So here the cardinal number of A union B, sorry, A intersection B will be A and B, means how many are a number of elements are there in A intersection B? 2 elements. So cardinal number of A intersection B will be 2. Now if I want to frame, or if I want to put all these values in a particular format, so I can say that 7 equals to 4 plus 5 minus 2. So now the 7 is actually what? It is the cardinal number of A union B. What is 4? The cardinal number of A. What is 5? The cardinal number of B. Minus what is 2? The cardinal number of A intersection. So with the help of Venn diagram, we can easily frame out this formula. Similarly, we can frame out any formula which we want with the help of Venn diagram. So I hope it is very much clear. So there's just one question again, this homework I'm just giving you, just to prove, or you can say just to see or verify with the help of Venn diagram. What cardinal you have to find out, okay, the formula. The cardinal number of A complement is equals to, you have to verify this formula. The cardinal number of universal set minus cardinal number of cardinal number of I. Right? So universal set is actually nothing. It is just, see, in this universal set we are having both the sets. Okay, we don't have anything else. So universal set means A and B here we are going to consider. Let's say some other element is present inside this box, not inside the circle. Then this universal set will include all the elements. So that is the other case. So for now, this is the question. A complement means the elements. A complement means not the cardinal number of A complement. Only A complement means the elements which are present in universal set. Okay, excluding the elements which are present in A. Right? So I'll explain this in the next video. So you try it out yourself. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.